Welcome back to the Sundance Media Group podcast, or our pod snacks, as we like to call them. You're looking kind of strong today. Have you been lifting?
Yeah, LiftThor. LiftThor. This is a new product that we just got in from Norway. And I've been waiting for you to get here so we can unbox it. Darn.
This is going to be something that's going to be utilized with your control that you have. Sometimes people have an issue with looking at a small screen, right? So some people need a little bit aids, with their eyes, with the glasses and things like that. So you want to be able to utilize something like a larger tablet, or an even larger tablet in Douglas's case. Here you go. And this way you can actually see what's going on.
Okay, fair
So
enough.
this is actually going to be a tablet holder specific to the Evo controller.
Okay, and also they also have one for the Mavic.
They do for the Mavic. They have a couple different versions.
Yep. Okay. Hey, that's cool. I wouldn't expect, not what I was expecting. All right, so I think that's probably where the controller goes.
I think so.
And okay. And we have a
strap.
Oh, it's got Velcro. All right. Some thumb screws.
Okay.
And this has to come out. Can't reach the other part. And a tablet holder.
And the holder.
And a plastic thingy.
Plastic things. Well, that was kind of loud.
Plastic thingy, yeah, no kidding. And it says Thor on it. Okay, so Thor. And
Ooh, you know what I'm noticing?
I noticed it doesn't have any instructions.
It doesn't.
What did you notice?
Well, I'm noticing that some of these pieces that I'm assuming go on the back are not going to be metal. It's non-ferrous, so it's not going to interfere with your signal.
That's pretty smart.
So
yeah, I think the only metal parts I'm seeing is let's see,
just
the
back plate.
So
Yeah,
billet plate, some plastic. Okay.
All right.
So that said, now we cheated. We cheated just a little bit. We bought two of these because we have. For those of you who've never had training with us, we have a few dozen Evos.
You could say that.
That's our training. That's our training aircraft. And so this is part of why we went down this road, was because we really wanted something bigger than just holding on to the cell phone. And using the live deck is really great to see on a bigger monitor, but it's not always convenient to take that bigger monitor out into the field, especially if you're doing something really quick. So we needed something that would run with our tablet. So we've already taken the other one that we have, and we've already built it up. So now here, let's show you what it looks like all built up.
There's off to the side. There we go.
So yeah, kind of tell folks what we're looking at here.
Tip it forward. So we've got brace down on the bottom, which actually has all of the metal plates running through the entire system. That way you can keep everything nice together and sturdy, so it's not going to break or fall apart in your hands, which is excellent. So the build quality is awesome. We've got a spot that you can carry whatever device you choose to use, whether it's Apple or Android, tablets, larger phones, whatever you need.
I like the Snapchat feature. That's kind of cool.
Yeah. Well, the whole reason they actually built this is so that you can do your vertical video for your Instagram.
Oh, or for Instagram.
So as you're recording your video, you can just directly upload it to Instagram.
Does anybody do that?
Oh, I wouldn't doubt if someone just
Who does that crap?
Right, I know. Dang millennials. It's all about the Insta.
Yeah, there's that whole vertical video syndrome. Anyway, what else? So what else can go in there? I mean, okay, so will this?
So let's grab the largest one that we've got.
Yeah, I'm embarrassed at my fingerprints on
it's probably my fingerprints
on my
too.
tablet.
That's all right. We're just gonna lift that up. I'm just gonna sit down nicely.
Awesome.
So if we go through and turn around on the back, we've got a little tightening knob here to just kind of sits down, so you don't have anything that adjusts too much. So we've got that. We're going to pretend that we have it all plugged in, and actually, why is that?
Tighten that just a little bit more.
There we go.
Oh,
Cinch that down.
Yeah, you don't tighten it like a guy. Come on. So there you go. See, that's some muscle.
There we go.
Now, one question though is that's going to be a little bit off balance, right?
You know what?
I mean, so what happens when we put a lanyard on?
Just,
You got
just
a
a
lanyard
little bit.
handy?
I do.
Okay.
Oh, look.
You talking all
Sundance Media Group.
Jeez,
Yep, there we go.
All right. I didn't realize you were going to put it around your neck.
I can get it. I know how to do this.
I'm sure you do, but you're a millennial, so
Barely.
that'd help you.
That does.
So how does that feel?
So, actually, if I could stand up, that's not
that
bad
balances,
at all.
That balances.
That
really
bounces really nicely.
So now
I've got that center in the right area.
I'm not going to work with it in that size of a tablet. I'm probably going to work with in my smaller tablet, which you can
Yeah.
put on right there. But either way,
Depending on what you want to use, but this caters to whatever you want to use, which is excellent. You know, and if you like the not included Sundance Media Group lanyard, then you might as well just come and see us at Interdrone or Con UAV or any of the other various
sure, we'll give
shows that we go to, or come join us for training, and then we'll give you one too.
give one of those away. All right.
Yeah, absolutely.
So so the nice thing is you can still, if you for some reason you want to see video on your remote screen and controlling up here, you can still do that. There's enough room there to see the two of them together.
Right.
It looks like it breaks down pretty well, I mean, we know it breaks down pretty easily. So to break it down, we simply first need to take the tablet off, and then we're going to unscrew. Kind of hard to do with this from the. Oh man, you did cinch it down that
Hey,
time.
you cinched it down.
Oh,
So.
did I? Okay, there. So we take that piece off. Then we need to well, actually, to take the whole assembly off, all we need to do is just do this and pull our. Oh, we can't pull our remote out until we pull the plate off here. So we've got 3 screws. It looks like to disassemble the whole thing. There's 1, 2. You see, it's so much easier when you do this with just one person.
Right.
And then take this guy out. Oh,
Didn't quite uncinch that all the way.
oh, I thought I did. I'm sorry.
Oh, 1 second. There we go.
So now we've got everything comes off together pretty darn quickly. Feels a little clumsy, but that's because we've got 4 hands where we really only need 2.
Right.
All right. So the Thor, the LiftThor tablet mounting system. I don't know what he really calls it. I think the product is called the LiftThor.
I think it's just the LiftThor.
Yeah.
For the Evo.
So the LiftThor for the Evo, and it's $85, and we'll put their internet address or their web address down below if that's something that you're interested in. We're really grateful. And by the way, this is not something that Thor gave us. We bought it the same way you guys do. We weren't sure if we liked the product or not, but after having roughly 2 hours with it,
It's nice. It's very handy to have.
something we think we're probably going to use.
Yeah, absolutely.
Or is this something we're going to be putting on all of our Evos? I don't know if we can afford that or not.
Well, we'll see. We're still looking for sponsors.
There you go.
Hey.
All right, folks. Well, thanks for checking out this very brief product review. You'll be seeing some pictures of this being used in the field very soon. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. And until next time,
Fly safe.